Hi guys, before we start today's lesson, I just want to thank my new subscribers. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you for loving the content enough to actually subscribing to it. I really appreciate it. And to my old subscribers, guys, I really appreciate you and I really appreciate your support. Thank you for supporting me the way that you guys have been supporting me. Guys, as I usually say, I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. As it stands now, 400 subscribers, which is a huge milestone. I just want to say thank you to everyone that has supported me and spread the word. Let anyone who wants to learn TWI or wants to know what TWI is about come to this channel and see if they actually enjoy the content of the channel. And if they do, they can subscribe, click on the like button, and also leave comments in the comment section. With that, guys, let's start today's lesson. Hi guys, welcome back to Learning TWI, the fun way TWI Junior Pro. My name is Kwesi, right? And for today's lesson, we have 4 people that needed me to translate something. So the first person that needed me to translate something was Christopher. Christopher, thank you so much for leaving a comment in the comment section. As I usually say, right, if someone sends me something to translate in the comment section, what I do is I'll actually set out the translation, then my following video, I'll actually voice it out so you know how it's actually pronounced, right? So the first person, as I said, was Christopher. So what Christopher wanted to know was, can I have another one please in TWI? Can I have another one please? In TWI can be said in 2 ways, right? The first way of saying that in TWI is Mepawokyɛw Mɛtumi anya foforɔ Anaa. The sentence again is Mepawokyɛw Mɛtumi anya foforɔ Anaa. And the second way of saying it is Mepawokyɛw wobɛtumi ama me baako bio Anaa. The sentence again is Mepawokyɛw wobɛtumi ama me baako bio Anaa. So that's about it for Christopher. Christopher, thank you so much. Thank you for all your support, right? I really appreciate it. Second person that wanted me to translate something is Afare. Afare, thank you so much for continued support. You're awesome. So these are the translations that Afare wanted, right? The first one is, I am not joking or I am not serious. I am not joking or I am not serious. So in TWI, those 2 sentences are, so I am not joking in TWI can be said as agorɔ. Agorɔ basically translated in English is I'm not playing, which is technically I'm not joking. So agorɔ, right? Now I'm serious in TWI is abere. Again, abere is I'm serious. So I'm not joking is agorɔ, and I'm serious is abere. So now the second thing that Afare wanted to know was, listen to this carefully. Listen to this carefully. So now in TWI, listen to this carefully is tie ye. Tie ye. Again, tie ye. The next thing that Afare also wanted to know was, can I please have the menu? So in TWI, that can be said as Mepawokyɛw Mɛtumi anya nkrataa na aduane a motɔn wɔ ha no wɔ mu no. The sentence again is Mepawokyɛw Mɛtumi anya nkrataa na aduane a motɔn wɔ ha no wɔ mu no. And the next thing that Afare wanted to know was how to say I am sweating. I am sweating. So I am sweating in TWI can be said as mfifire. Mfifire, right? And the last thing that Afare wanted to know was how to say I am itching. I am itching. Now I am itching in TWI can be said as mehu keka. Mehu keka. Right? Afare, as usual, thanks again for your continued support. I really appreciate it, right? So the next person that wanted me to translate something was Lionel. Lionel, again, thanks again for all your continued support as well. So this is what Lionel wanted to know, right? The first thing that Lionel wanted to know was, I don't take anything serious. So that in TWI can be said as Mennfa biribiara anibereso. Mennfa biribiara anibereso. So the next thing that Lionel wanted to find out was what the phrase or the term for any two form in TWI actually meant in English, right? So now, for any two form is usually used and as an expression to say exercise patience or be patient, right? So when you two form, if somebody comes to you and you're doing something and they say, you know what, Lionel, for when you two form, that means they're trying to tell you, know what, relax, exercise patience, you know, things come in due time, everything will be fine. Some can actually say the following as well, nyabotre. Nyabotre also means exercise patience or just be patient, right? Now, the next that Lionel also wanted to find out was, how do you say seek attention as a verb in TWI? Now, seeking attention in TWI can be said as oye hwehwɛ nimu. Oye hwehwɛ nimu. right? Now, the next phrase that Lionel wanted to know was, he behaves like a child seeking attention. He behaves like a child seeking attention. Now, that in Twi can be said as, ɔyɛ ne ho te sɛ akwadaa, hwehwɛ anim na yɛ no. Again, the sentence is, ɔyɛ ne ho te sɛ akwadaa, hwehwɛ anim na yɛ no. That's about it for Lionel. Lionel, thanks again for your continuous support. I really, really appreciate it. And the next person that needed something translated was Jewel. Jewel, again, thanks again for your continuous support. I really, really appreciate it. So what Jewel wanted to know in Twi was, I want the sweet one, or I want the one that is sweet. I want the sweet one, or I want the one that is sweet. So in Twi, that can be said as mepɛnyɛ dɛ no. Guys, that's about it for today's lesson. I just want to say thank you again to my new subscribers. Thank you for actually subscribing to the channel and liking the content within the channel. My old subscribers, as I say, you're awesome, right? Guys, remember again, the COVID-19, it's not about you, it's about the next person. So please, if you're going out, please go out only for essential services, be it for food and be it for medical supplies. If you watch the content of this channel and you like what you see, please click on the like button. Please click on the subscribe button, and please click on the bell button for future notifications. And guys, as I always say, please get the TWI Junior Pro app. It's on the Google Store. It's less than $1. With that and this channel, you'll learn TWI quicker. So guys, with that, with lots of love, see you next time. Bye.